My question is to the Minister of Children and Youth. Minister, you'll know that last Thursday the workers for the Timmins-James that services the kids' needs in regards to child protection services in the region had a rally along with municipal leaders and others to protest the financial situation that your government has put these child protection services on. My question to you is simply this. Will you admit that the budget adjustments made by your government this year have not resolved the budget crisis of Timmins-James and other child protection agencies?
Thank you very much, Speaker, and I'm pleased to speak about this issue and talk about the transformation of a sector and the work that we're doing to stabilize and sustain child protection across this province. We understand and believe in the important work that's done by children's aid societies. We also know that we need to work with them to make sure that because of the importance of that work, that they are on a sustainable pathway. And that is exactly what we've done, Speaker, and the member opposite knows this. We've worked hard in this past fiscal year to stabilize the sector to get us to the large-scale conversation with respect to the future of the sector and how we can find a way for child protection to operate and function in amongst the many complexities that exist associated with the families and the children that they serve.
Minister, you're missing the point. It is your government and this legislature that has mandated by legislation that these child protection service agencies must provide protection to children when in need. The issue is they're having to lay people off because your government is not funding them to meet those needs that have been mandated by this legislature. So I ask you again, are you prepared to do what needs to be done in order to address the financial crisis that exists within the child protection services, or are you going to do something else in order to meet with this particular issue?
Thank you very much, Speaker. And I tell the member opposite, and he does know this, we are absolutely prepared to do what it takes, and we funded an additional $26.9 million across the province to ensure that children's aid societies would be able to function and find a pathway to sustainability. And in fact, the Jean Sauvé Family Service received an additional $199,000 in addition to those funds that they had received in the past fiscal year. As we embark on a new fiscal year, we continue to work with the Commission, whose responsibility it is to find a sustainable pathway for Children's Aid Society. Our regional offices work in collaboration with those CASs to ensure that they are able to deliver the protection that children need, and that is why we put additional resources into the sector to ensure and meet our commitment that no child would be at risk, Speaker, and we have...
Question, the member.